I will be eating a crawfish for the very first time. I don't know where to start. Do you eat the legs or the claws? Nope, you can't pull that part yet. There was a twisting motion. Oh God. Oh, I think I just fingered the crawfish.
So we have 3 pounds of crawfish, 2 corns, a link of sausages, 3 potatoes, shebang mild with a half pound of shrimp.
Boom, boom, sauce, sauce, sauce.
Is this more sauce?
Yeah, it's more sauce on the side.
Yeah, because it's so dry. This is insane.
Let me just present this for you. Please get Dylan's reactions as I do this.
Oh my God, that's just like a whole crustacean.
Yeah. What do you want to start with?
Like an explanation of...
Snow crab. King crab right here. Got the crawfish.
Aww.
You know a shrimp, and here's the Dungeness crab.
That, what do you do?
We're about to break it down. I'm gonna just pass you a seafood.
Okay, it's a shrimp.
Okay.
It has legs on it.
What? Gotta suck the head.
No.
Gotta suck the head.
That's fake.
That is
That's
the most
fake.
flavorful parts
No,
of a
it's
shrimp.
not. Oh, you just did it. Oh.
Grab another shrimp.
But oh.
Suck the head. That's the yummy parts. It's called
What's
flavor.
in the head?
Don't worry about it.
Well, I'm worried.
There you go.
Ah.
Delicious?
Oh my God, that's so good.
I'm telling you.
That's really good.
I'm telling you. What does your heart tell you to do next?
Get rid of these little leggies.
Don't be dainty with it. Like, you're hungry. Remember, you're hungry.
Well, that's true. Oh, I took the tail off. Why do I feel like there's a way better way to do this?
There is, but
I did
you know
it.
what? That was quick. You were supposed to slide it across the sauce.
Oh, son of a
Boom. The shrimp.
I didn't even watch how you did it.
Right there.
Wait, okay, so what was the proper way to take the digits off?
I mean, honestly, it's like preference. I like to go around. You know what I mean?
No.
To be honest, I avoid the crawfish because I'm intimidated of breaking it down.
I'm intimidated of breaking it down. Like, do you eat the legs or the claws?
I don't know. I always avoid it.
Nope, you can't pull that part yet. There was a twisting motion. Oh God. Oh, I think I just fingered the crawfish. Nope, I broke the shell. Did I?
What did you do?
I don't know. I got in. I'm like a hacker when they're like, I'm in. I see things, I see parts.
Suck the head.
No, this one too?
Yes.
I think I just got sauce.
You gotta get your tongue into the crevice and then lick it up. Delicious.
Yeah, I don't know what I ate, but that was cool. Do you suck the butt?
Yeah, all that.
Yep, did something. Yep,
Wait, there you go.
yep.
Boom.
Oh God, it's so good.
It is.
Well, there's a shell. I want to try this one.
You got weapons, remember.
Oh, I can use tools. Okay, nope, I don't think I need a tool yet. That looks meaty.
There you go.
Oh, that's delicious. Yeah, got it. Okay, so I feel meat. Do I just suck it? I'm just gonna suck it.
Well, I mean, that's one way to do it, yeah. Yeah.
Nope, nope. Got another shell. But I got meat from a claw. Can I crack it? Yeah, it's like cutting the red wire or the blue wire. Nope, can't do it. You do it, I trust you. Oh, you like break it multiple times. Okay, okay. Oh yeah, you use more tools. Well, this looks a little smarter.
Told you, you got weapons.
Can I phone a friend?
Yes.
I'd like to phone Nana, please.
How are we doing here?
So good. I just took a really long walk for a short drink of water, and I feel like there's things to do that make it simpler.
Yeah.
Did I eat this right?
The proper way? No.
Oh, did I do that right?
In Louisiana, they'll laugh at you.
So maybe like a tutorial would be
Yeah.
beneficial.
Let's start with the crawfish.
For the audience. How would I approach this fine fellow?
You want to grab the head and the tail and pull them apart from each other.
Okay, already way better.
And then you're going to take the head
Uh-huh.
and then you're going to put it in your mouth, bite into it, and then chomp down and suck.
Yeah.
So, just like that.
All right. I got 0 meat and a little leg, but by gosh, it's tasty.
You're going for the juice in there.
Oh, then I got it.
Yeah.
I got juice.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Wait, is it like this?
Did you eat the shell?
No, I didn't. I put it down.
All right, so then with the tail, what I like to do is flip it on its back, pinch the bottom of the tail, but you only want to weaken it. So you're detaching the meat from the shell. And then you're gonna take the meat part and then suck it out.
This is way different than how we approached it.
I did none of these steps. So you pinch.
Much faster than what you did before, huh?
Wait,
it.
I
I'm
gotta
good.
suck extra hard.
You can cheat a little bit and then pinch the side of the tail just to weaken it, and then to run away. We can try again. You want to do it with him?
Yeah, sure. Now that I'm
You want to teach him?
professional. Okay, so what you do is you grab it by here
You
and
detach
you
it.
turn its body sideways, and this is where all the good stuff is. So
Yeah.
you get in there deep and you suck. Groundbreaking stuff. So after you do that, oh, I'm sorry, you're still sucking. I'll wait.
There's so much flavor you're missing out on.
I got the flavor in a little shell. So you turn it on its back like you're about to give it CPR. You weaken it.
How do I weaken it?
So there feels like a little soft spot. It's like grabbing like a shrimp tail.
Okay.
And then you just grab,
I don't understand the weaken part.
you know, like a push pop when you were a kid?
I think it got weak.
I think I'm weak.
I don't know, man.
You got it.
Oh,
There it is. There it is. How do we do these guys? Obviously it's a shrimp. I don't know what to do with about 80% of it.
Same concept with the head and tail. You're gonna pull them apart, and you're gonna suck on the head.
Yeah.
I didn't realize there'd be so much sucking involved.
I know, it's like you're the Clippers.
And then from one side to the other, you're going to peel it around.
Oh, that's how I do it.
That is how you did it. You did this one right.
And then you can pinch the bottom of the tail and just wiggle your meat out.
Just wiggling the meat out.
Bruh.
And then just chop it all up.
Yep.
That's good.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you so much.
Crab legs.
Yeah, this one was just a hard fail.
So for the snow crab, you're gonna pull the legs apart from the body. With the crab legs, we're going to have create an opening from the joints. So pull the joints apart and look for a little soft area here. And then the pointy part of the shell is inserted into the crab.
Yeah.
And then with an up and down motion, you're going to scissor your way through.
You're joking.
See how different it was from when you did it?
Yes, I did not do any of these steps.
There it is.
You just did that so seamlessly. Thank you so much.
Hey, 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 hey.
That's snow delicious.
If you don't have weapons,
Yeah.
you can just snap it.
Oh.
This isn't your first time.
No,
This is
no.
wow. Okay, that one goes to you. That was
Look at that.
that's saucy.
God damn.
Do I gotta try it?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Oh my god, you're so strong. Ugh.
Oh, nice.
Oh no! Oh, you unsheathed that like Excalibur. What is that?
It just tastes like you accomplished something, you know?
But you did. I want to see a king crab meat just dipped in that. Let's do that.
With the claw, we're gonna take it away from the joints, like that. And may I have a crab cracker?
Yes, chef.
Oh, the other one.
Oh my gosh, nope, this one.
Okay, and then you want to put it in between the crab cracker. You don't want to apply too much pressure to break the meat. You just want to crack the shell. This one's a tough one.
Oh, here we go.
Wow.
After you, you get to dip this.
Gotta get all the good stuff at the bottom.
Oh my gosh.
That's so pretty. Oh, I can't even think about that one yet. Wait, what kind of crab is this?
King crab.
It's the king.
You're gonna go close to the joint, and then again apply a little bit of pressure just to crack the shell. And then you want to, and then do you want to reveal what's in there?
Reveal it! Oh, I get to.
Yeah. Yeah! Don't just look at it.
Damn, that's saucy. I understand why people like this now. It's just so good.
This little joint, like the crab elbow.
Crab elbow. That's a vibe.
Oh. Ow. Next one, can we do the crab claw, please?
That's a lobster.
I mean, lobster.
Say you're sorry.
Sorry. I'm about to eat you.
You're gonna detach the claw and the arm from the body. Like that. And then in between the crab cracker, and then apply pressure just to weaken it a
Weaken
little.
it. Whoa. Wow. Pull it, pull it, pull it.
Actually, you can just dip it in like that. Use
The whole thing?
Yeah, like you got handlebars on it.
That's thickums. Dude, I think that I like that lobster isn't as like flaky as crab.
Yeah.
This one felt like I could depend on it.
It's substantial.
Yes. Have we learned how to do everything?
I think so.
There's no special way to like do a potato. I would like to personally thank you for your expertise. I have learned way more than I anticipated, actually. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Sincerely,
yeah.
this
Good
is so
luck.
fun.
Yeah.
The claw. And you said there are no utensils.
Hey.
What's up, boys?
What up?
Hi!
You looking good, Dylan?
Thank you so much.
How's your first experience going?
This is so far so great. We learned a lot. Do you know how to eat a crawfish?
Yeah, dude.
Okay, well you hesitated, so I don't believe you in the slightest.
There you go. There you go. My man's been here before.
Dude.
I won't lie to you, I am genuinely impressed.
Yeah.
Crawfish is a lot of work, though, I'll be honest with you. I go with shrimp and crab.
Save this for you, my guy.
Oh, yeah, dude.
There's a lot going on.
Okay. I don't. Ooh, that's the sexiest way to open this guy. Look. Oh, look how tender the shell is at this point. Look at this, boom.
So he has a different method. He peels.
You can't peel this on all of them, though. The
All of
shell
it's
happens to
soft
be
enough.
very soft, which I love. Holy cow. Boys.
I'm about to go neck
Boys,
that.
I'm gonna gummy this bad boy down. Dude, crab is undefeated. I like this better than lobster, to be honest with you.
We got a whole lobster here.
Look like a plumber. You eat this stuff, Reach? What's in this? It's like, what is that?
That's just flavor, bro.
Is it flavor?
It's flavor.
Is this flavor?
That's flavor. Look at
This is flavor?
You just dig it out.
Checked, it appears to be flavored.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Everything.
Oh my God.
Everything. Wow.
Yep.
Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Oh, yeah. Here, we can split this bad boy. Watch this. I just want to show them what it looks like.
Wow.
Cheers.
You
Cheers.
shouldn't
Cheers.
have.
Oh,
Cheers.
that's sweet.
Fire, dude.
Wait, what's happening?
I'll show you the way I like to eat crab here. Get in all the goodness, throw it back in there.
He's reconstituting right now.
Yes.
It's a crab bowl?
I've never
Yes.
seen this, actually.
You just gotta get all the unsavory parts. There's good crab butter all up in there. Throw that back in. And you take the mouth out. That's just a little barrier. It's trash. Make sure all the meat's there, right?
Yeah.
You need the rice, please. Throw some rice in there. Can I get some sauce, please? You can pour it in there. Yep.
Good.
There you go. You can get some gumbo, please.
Yes, doctor.
Yep. And get some sausage up in there.
Oh my. Yo, that's tight.
Are you kidding?
Let's get some of those fried oysters up in there.
I love how Reach eats, bro. Like there is no tomorrow.
Right here.
We just f***ing do the shit you want to do right now.
Mix it up.
That's so dope.
Dylan, this is for you.
No!
Oh, that's dope,
This is
dude.
for you.
Bro, my birthday's not for 3 months.
Bro, this is the bowl of your life.
Cheers.
Damn.
Cheers to you.
That's nice.
Smile.
I don't know what I just ate, but by
Bro, let me
howdy.
try this. Let me try this.
That's all you. Get
Oh,
all the
damn.
crab fat in there.
Yeah, man.
I'm telling you.
Can I show you mine?
Yes.
This is what I do.
You can do it.
So normally, this is what they bring the seafood in.
Yeah.
There's usually a lot of good juice in there. I take rice, put the rice back in the bag. You technically don't need to put any more sauce, but the sauce is so good. You just go like that. And then let's find a little, let's just break up a little bit of potato. What else we got?
We have a whole crab
Oh, yeah,
meat
yeah, yeah.
claw.
We'll
Yep.
shred it up a little bit. Close the bag up. Boom, like that. Bada bing.
Oh, yours going right on.
Yeah, dude. Fried rice, dude. Enjoy.
Cheers, fellas.
That's like my favorite thing to do here.
That's so comforting.
Because like, I kind of get sad towards the end of my meal here when I've like eaten through everything.
Yeah.
And then I remember that I still have this bag and it's the gift that keeps on giving, you know?
That is a comfort.
Remember
You're right.
who you are.
All right, what other hacks do we have?
Where's the gumbo at?
We right here. Oh, you use it as a dip.
Yeah, use the dip. You gotta get the catfish all up in there.
Using catfish like a tortilla chip.
There it is. There's the dance. There's the dance.
Cheers, boys.
Sturdy.
Oh.
Yep. Yep. So that was my first time eating gumbo. And by God, it's good. It almost feels like a gravy. Like I would want to pour this over a lot of different things.
Wings is probably like one of our most underrated.
Did someone say fried chicken? Wings.
Sick.
That's hot. That's hot. It's careful, you know.
Are you okay?
You are sweating. Holy cow. You were sweating a second ago.
You're so sweaty.
Bro, what happened?
What happened?
You're a boiling crab
What
now.
happened?
You were fine a second ago.
What
Look at that. You are.
What happened?
Do you feel hot or no? Like you know you're wet.
I feel good.
Bro.
I feel good. It was the accumulation of activities.
It all caught up.
Yeah. That's what's fun about a seafood boil, just getting down and dirty.
All right, you're good?
I'm good. Dylan, are you good?
Honestly, as a whole, yes, I would 100% do this again. There was a lot of really good stuff. I'm a rice guy, so doing the fried rice hack comes in clutch.
Let's go.
The lobster claw, genuinely surprised how much I liked it. That was really good. And then honestly, doing like the catfish in the gumbo was
As this damn sweat drops down.
Oh my God. What is going on?
I'm telling you, it's just putting on friends is hard work. Such hard
Like
work.
you're in a sauna right now.
He's in the sauce. He's in the sauce.
Dylan,
Yeah.
let's see what we're working with that white fit.
Well, you guys, the top was okay.
Listen, dude. Oh no.
So proud of
here.
you. I'm so proud of you.
Damn, I thought we were gonna go in for a hug. What a treat.
All right, sit back down. Let's eat.
I'm so appreciative of you bringing me here. I hope you know that.
As you can see, it is a wrap on Dylan's first seafood boil experience here at Boiling Crab.
Guys, like and subscribe if you like this content, please. These guys keep eating with my credit card, and if we don't get some views on this video, can't do this shit anymore.
wrap for us.
It's a wrap for us. Choking on this corn right now, it's delicious. But seriously, please like and subscribe. Tell us where we should go next, and you know, keep popping Dylan's Virgin Bubble.